I've made over $12,000 with AI video content and I didn't film a single thing. I want you to know that that's possible before we jump in, because today I'm walking you through the tool that I'm trying out right now that makes this kind of income possible for creators like you and me. I mean, no camera, no lighting setup, and no reshooting because a delivery truck drove past your window. Just a laptop and the tool I'm about to show you from start to finish. So if you're a UGC creator or you want to be, you need to see this, because the way brands are buying content right now is changing fast. And this tutorial is going to put you ahead of it. Let me give you a little context as to where we are right now. E-commerce brands, we're talking Shopify stores, Amazon sellers, direct to consumer product brands. They need content constantly. I mean, constantly, not occasionally. They need ads for Meta. They need content for TikTok. They need product videos for their Amazon listings. They need fresh creatives every single week, because what worked last month is already played. And here's the problem they all have. Traditional UGC can be slow and expensive, and they're paying per video and waiting on creators, going back and forth on revisions. So this is your opening. AI UGC done right can deliver polished, scroll-stopping video ads at a pace and price point that traditional UGC simply can't touch. Now, I've been doing UGC for 3 years, and I've added AI tools to my process. And let me tell you, it completely changed what I can offer brands. I went from selling individual videos to selling done-for-you content packages. And that's where the real money is. The tool I'm walking you through today is called CreateUGC. And today I'm going to show you the whole thing.
This Stanley quencher keeps my water ice cold all day, even after back-to-back meetings or spin class.
Yeah, that's AI. That's not a real person filming that video. And most brands can't tell the difference when it's done right. And honestly, they don't care, because they care about, does it convert for my audience? Does this increase the sales? So CreateUGC is an AI platform that generates realistic UGC style video ads. You give it a product, you pick the avatar, it builds the video. That's the short version. Here's what makes it actually powerful for a creator like you and me. We can use it in 2 ways. One, you use AI avatars to create full done-for-you videos to sell to brands. They never need to know how the sausage is made. They typically don't care if it's AI or not. They just want it to be a finished, polished ad that converts. And then number 2, and this one is underrated, because even if a client eventually wants you on camera, you can use CreateUGC to generate scripts and B-roll product footage. So use the platform as your production assistant. That's the hybrid creator approach. And we'll talk more about that in a second. The link to try for free for 7 days is in the description. Okay, we're in. So let's go step by step. I'm going to go slow on purpose so nobody gets left behind. So step 1, create your account. Go to the link in the description. It's going to take you straight to CreateUGC. So create your free account. It's a 7-day trial, and then you're in. And once you land on the dashboard, notice how clean this is. It's not overwhelming, and that's intentional. They built this for creators, not developers. So then step 2, paste your product link. So you're going to see a box that says paste a product link from a website or an online store. Now this is where we start, and I'm going to use a real product right now so you can see exactly how this works. I'm using the Stanley Quencher 30-ounce H2O tumbler. Now you've seen this cup. Everyone has seen this cup. It's a perfect example because it has a strong brand recognition, and it's an e-commerce product that needs content constantly. For this example, I'm using an Amazon link. Just paste the Amazon link right in and hit continue. Now watch what happens next, because this honestly is impressive. It automatically pulled the product name, the description, and the product photos directly from the listing. You didn't have to type a single thing. And that's the AI doing the work for you. Now, real quick tip here, if the product name that pulls in is a little long or odd format, go ahead and clean it up. So just make something simple and clear so the AI can work with it properly. Okay, step 3, select the video type. So you'll see 2 options, video reaction or product in hand. And you'll have the option of selecting VO3 here. So for UGC ads, and especially for e-commerce, you want a product in hand. So that's the format that converts. It feels personal, it feels real, and that's the whole point. So select it and click continue. Then step 4, choose your video settings. So if you're creating for TikTok or Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts, keep it 9:16 verticals. So that's your default for short form content, and leave everything else as is. And video duration, I'm going to recommend starting with 30 seconds when you're learning the platform. So it's a sweet spot, short enough to stay punchy, long enough to deliver a real message. And here's a real quick tip. I use 30 seconds, and that's about 75 to 80 words. So don't overstuff the script. The AI will rush through it and it loses natural conversation feel, which is literally the thing that makes UGC work. So keep it tight and let's click next. So step 5, choose your AI avatar. Okay, so this is where you get to play the casting director. And it's also where a lot of beginners make their first mistake. You don't just pick whomever looks cool. You pick whomever your client's target audience trusts. The Stanley Cup audience, it skews towards women 25 to 45, lifestyle focused. So I'm filtering for a female avatar that feels relatable to that buyer. Not a fashion avatar, not a corporate avatar, a real person energy avatar. Think about the same logic for other products. If you're doing content for a skincare brand targeting women 35 plus, you're not going to pick Gen Z streetwear avatar. Or if you're doing a protein powder or supplement brand targeting men 25 to 40, you want an avatar that fits that world. So match the messenger to the market every time. And then step 6, we're gonna write that script or let AI do it. So pause the tutorial for a second because this is a step where the money lives. So CreateUGC is going to give you 3 script options already generated based on the product information it pulled. And honestly, they're a pretty solid starting point for a beginner, but you can absolutely use these and get a great result. But here's what I do when I want to level up the script, especially for a client with specific messaging. I take one of those generated scripts and I put it into an LLM like ChatGPT or Gemini, and I use this prompt. Rewrite the UGC script for, and then the product name, target audience, and then describe them. The main pain point is, and then you list the pain point. Make the hook grab attention in the first 3 seconds. Keep the tone conversational, like a real person talking, not a commercial. End with a strong, clear CTA. So paste your polished script into the script box and click next. And then step 7, generate and review. So hit generate. It's going to take a few minutes to render. So while it's generating, this is a great time to go and pull your product photos or any additional B-roll you want to layer over the final video. Quick cuts, 2 to 4 seconds, max per clip. Short B-roll keeps the energy up. And this is the Stanley Cup. Just so you know, long clips kill the momentum. And then the video finishes rendering.
This Stanley Quencher keeps my water ice cold all day, even after back-to-back meetings or spin class. Seriously, get yours and stay hydrated anywhere. Don't wait.
That is the polished ad, and we made it in under 10 minutes. That is the power of this tool. And listen, you could do this exact same process with almost any e-commerce product, a supplement brand's protein powder, a skincare brand's serum, a candle company's holiday line, a pet brand's accessory. Any product with a URL can become a video ad in minutes. Okay, so I want to take a minute to talk about positioning because this is important. When brands hear AI UGC, some of them hesitate and they think that it either is fake or that it's cheap or possibly that the quality is low. Your job is to reframe that. Now, here's what you say. I'm a hybrid UGC creator. I use AI tools to produce content faster and more efficiently, but the strategy, the messaging, and the quality control is all me. That's your positioning. You're not replacing the human element. You're scaling it. So think of it like this. A chef doesn't stop being a great chef because they have a prep kitchen. The prep kitchen just means that they can serve more tables faster without dropping quality. Now that's you. You're the chef. CreateUGC is your prep kitchen. And when you lead with that framing, brands stop hesitating and start asking, how fast can you start? So let's talk about pricing, because creating the content is just half of it. You need to know what to charge. Here's how I structure my done for you packages for e-commerce brands. You have a starter bundle, $600 a month for 4 videos, and that's 30 to 60 seconds each perfect for brands who are newer to UGC or who want to test the format before committing to something bigger. And I'd also throw in some static photos that you're creating with AI as well. Then there's a growth bundle, which is $1,200 a month. That's 8 videos. That's a mix of 30 seconds, hooks, and 60-second explainer style ads. Now, this is your most popular tier. It gives brands enough volume to actually test and optimize their ad creative. And then there's the creative bundle, $1,800 a month, 12 plus videos, multiple avatars, multiple product angles, and different hooks for A/B testing. This is where scaling e-commerce brands live. The ones with real ad budgets who need a consistent supply of fresh creatives. So here's the math. Try doing it right now. At the starter bundle, $600 divided by 4 videos. That's $150 a video. So once you know CreateUGC, each video takes you 20 to 30 minutes. Now tell me what that hourly rate looks like. Imagine landing 2 clients on the growth bundle. That's $2,400 a month, reoccurring, without picking up a single camera. That's not a side hustle. That's a small business. One-off projects, launch campaigns, seasonal content, I charge $250 to $500 per video. But I always pitch the retainer because predictable, reoccurring income is the goal. Always pitch the bundle. Okay, you've got the tool, you've got the pricing. Now, how do you actually get the brand to say yes? So I'm going to give you the framework. It's called the Justin Moore's R.O.P.E method. And once you learn this, your pitches are going to hit completely different. So R is relevant. Your pitch has to connect with something that the brand is already doing, not just what you think they should be doing, what they're actually doing right now. So before you pitch, take 5 minutes of research. What campaigns are they running? What did they post last month? Or what season or product launch is coming up? So instead of saying, hey, I do UGC, let's work together, you say, I notice you're ramping up content for your spring line. I specialize in AI UGC product ads, and I think I can help you scale that. Now, here's an example of what I made. That's relevant. That's a pitch they're going to read. Okay, so O is organic. That means you've already created content in their niche. You have proof that your audience or an audience responds to this type of product. No, you don't need a massive following. You need samples. And thanks to CreateUGC, you can make a custom sample for a specific product before you even pitch them. So imagine DMing a small Stanley Cup style brand with a finished AI UGC ad you made using their product. They click the link, they watch it, and it's good. Game over. Then P, proof. Now this is where you show your results. Past clients, engagement numbers. Even if you're just starting, your samples are your proof. Document everything. Screenshot your stats. Build a Google folder with 3 to 5 examples and keep adding to it until you're ready for a full portfolio. The more proof you can show, the faster they say yes. And then there's E, make it easy to execute. Now this is where most people skip. When the brand says, sounds interesting, what would that look like? You need to have an answer ready. Don't make them figure it out. Lay it out. I deliver 4 videos per month in 9x6 format, optimized for Meta and TikTok. Turnaround is 5 business days per video. Here's my pricing. I'm ready to start. So drop a R.O.P.E in the comments if you're going to use the R.O.P.E method to pitch your first brand this week, because I want to know who's taking action. So here's a full example pitch that you can adopt right now. Hi, their name, I've been following, brand, and I love the content you've been putting out around a specific brand, a specific campaign / product. I specialize in AI UGC video ads for e-commerce brands and actually created a quick sample for your product name. Would love to share it with you. I work with brands on done-for-you monthly content packages starting at $600. Would it be okay to send over the sample? I'm almost 50. I have ADHD, and there are some real moments where I looked at AI and I was wondering what I was doing. And I was thinking, okay, I'm too late for this. And this just moves too fast. And this isn't for me. And I started making money with it before I even felt like I knew what I was doing. So if you're sitting there right now and you hear that voice in your head saying, it's too complicated, I don't have a big enough following, or who's going to pay me for this? I need for you to tell that voice to sit all the way down. The window is open right now, and most brands haven't found their AI UGC creator yet. Most e-commerce sellers still don't know what's possible. And even if they do know, they don't have the time. Most of your competition doesn't even know the R.O.P.E method, and they don't know how to use CreateUGC, and they definitely haven't built a hybrid creator offer. And you just learned all of it in one video. The free trial is in the link in the description. Make your first AI UGC video this week, not next month. This week. So just use a product that you love and just start. And when you land your first client, and you will, come back and tell me, because I want to celebrate with you. If this video gave you value, make sure that you like it right now, because it tells YouTube that this is worth putting in front of more people. And it helps other creators who really need it, and it helps me as well. And make sure you subscribe if you aren't already, because I am dropping AI money content every single week, and I will see you in the next one. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's grow.